par of levels here in gold and silver. We have been tracking 33.50.52, 33.58.60 zone since long. And see what has happened, striking the highs at 33.50.52. Today, gold has seen a good slide and is now trading below the critical support zone at 33.30. Can we expect it to breach 33.20 as well, the next stronger zone? And what about silver? Silver has also seen a stronger hurdle at 38 and has seen a good slide all the way now towards 37.50. What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update, I have mentioned very clearly you can sell at 33.38, expect 33.30 as the first target. At least 100 pips are done. I hope you all profited. Likewise with silver. So subscribe, press the bell icon if you appreciate the effort. Do like, share and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. What has happened with gold? You can see hitting the highs at 33.50.52, the critical milestone. Prices have reversed sharp. After the drop, we have seen slight retracement and again one single candle has appeared. Sharp bearish candle. I'll just wait for the current one. And with the current one, if it trades now below 33.24.22, yes, recall few hours back I have mentioned that below 33.38 ideally, this is the zone it has to break below. And now definitely you have to watch out for this zone to be taken. Once it trades below 33.24.22, we can expect further bearishness to prevail here in gold prices. What we should aim for? We can aim for 33.12, 33.10 zone, the next target zone. Now see, the moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Also, the price is trading outside bands, putting pressure on the bands to expand here. And look at, see, it has formed a neck and now expanding. Let's see how sharp it expands. Stochastic looking down, the MACD after a retracement crossed over, trading bearish. RSI looking downwards as well, certainly a bearish sign. Look at 2 hour. Now see, on the 2 hour charts, you can see the price is very much confined within a zone, and earlier I have mentioned that divide this into two. Once it trades below this support zone, we can expect more bearishness. Now 33.30 is taken and we are looking forward to the next zone at 33.22.24, below which you can expect lower lows to prevail here, where prices can in fact move towards 3300. Moving average is trading bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD crossed over after a retracement, again trading bearish here. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar observation here on the 3 hour charts. Posting a reversal sign, we have seen the bearishness here, slight consolidation. One sharp candle has appeared, and the current one will decide the future of gold prices. Remember, it has to trade below this zone 33.12, 33.10 in order to confirm the breakdown here. See what is happening if you look at the movement here. After the drop, slight retracement, then a sharp drop has appeared and it is staying with still sticking to the lower highs and lower lows here. Now lower lows are aiming towards 3300, which is a crucial zone. Remember, drop, bearish move, and once it breaks out below 3300, we will aim for 3280 as well. The stochastic has come towards an oversold zone. MACD after a quick retracement trying to cross over for sell. RSI has dropped sharp. Coming to 4, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts, V-shaped recovery and a reversal. It is possible that it can in fact move towards lower lows. Very much possible, but we have to wait. First resistance it has to break is at 33.22.24, and then below that 33.12, 33.10, below which definitely greater bearish move should be seen here. If you look at the movement here, I do see this as that gold prices are staying in this channel here on the 4 hour charts. On the daily charts, it is something different. On the 4 hour charts, it is staying or sticking to this, and once it trades out below this, you can expect a greater down move here. Stochastic looking down. The MACD has retraced. It is trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here. It is not yet crossed over. RSI looking down, which is a slight bearish sign as well. Coming to the daily. Now, on the daily charts, what did we discuss earlier? See, first the convergence of moving averages, second the resistance here from the 20-50 period moving average. And that is why I confirm that 33.50.52 and 33.58.60 is the zone it has to break beyond. A breakout beyond 33.58.60 should only confirm a possible move, and then we can expect 33.80, the next milestone. what has happened? Striking the resistance, prices have reversed. And now it has come towards the next critical support levels at 33.22.24. It has to trade below this. Now, what will happen once it trades below 33.22.24? We can expect it to deliver lower lows. Lower lows means possible move towards 33.10 and then 3300, below which we will look forward to a greater bearish candle, taking it all the way lower. But right now, first thing is it has to break below the critical support zone here. Now see, stochastic here has seen a rise from the oversold levels, not yet confirming further bullishness. MACD divergent and bearish, and the RSI is looking downward. So considering this, where you should buy? What should be our strategy? Before I provide you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Reserve your seats now. I'll be floating the link soon. Book your seats. Only limited entries are taken. Else you can be also part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can profit, and those looking forward to a trusted partner should join the recommended broker, which offers you a swap free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals. The link is there in the channel and video description. So first is where you should buy. Now see, the buying entry, the previous sell entry is now our buying position. As long as now gold trades below 33.40, I will not recommend you to buy it. Yes, if you see it is staying beyond 33.40, you can buy. Expect it to move towards 33.45, 33.50, 52, and then 33.58.60. Once it breaches this 33.58.60, you can say the bulls are taking over. Beyond 33.58.60 is where we can see bullishness prevailing towards 72 and 78.80 zone, 33 obviously. And once it trades beyond 33, 78.80, you can expect 3400, which I am not in favor of. I have mentioned very clearly, and I have been staying bearish. You all know it well, and thus I'm skeptical of such a rise. On the downside, but these are markets, you have to stick to the levels. On the downside, now let it stay below 33.24.22 zone. Expect 33.16, 33.10. Once it trades below 33.10, stay short for 32.98, and staying below 32.98, I'll be looking forward to 32.84.80. This time, if gold trades below 32.80, we will look forward to a greater down move, which is going to take it towards 32.60, 32.48, and in fact 3200 very, very soon. It may take time, but yes, it will be on this path if it stays below 32.80. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver now. Silver, if you see, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen, staying in this broader bearish channel. Now, once it trades below 37, 50, 40, the critical support zone, this is the most important support here now. And if this is taken, we are looking forward to the next move, which is going to take again the price towards 37. The next one below 37, definitely a greater bearish move to be seen. Now on the upside, see how beautiful is the resistance at 38. The breakdown was from this zone. It has moved towards lower highs are done, possibly lower lows. Yes, it can move towards lower lows here. You can stay short below 37.50 itself, though the stochastic is oversold. But look at MACD, after retracing towards the top, it has crossed over and it is trading bearish here. The RSI has dropped sharp as well. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, what has happened? Similar observation. This is what we had drawn, and this is how it has been trading. Now, very important for silver to trade below 37.50.40 zone, which will confirm the next move, which can erase all the gains from this candle and in fact can capture much more. Let's wait for this. Yes, the stochastic coming to oversold zone. The MACD has retraced, trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Notice this. This is how it has been trading. Just let it stay below 37.50, and then you can take a sell, possibly expecting it to move towards 37.20, 37. Yes, erasing the gains from this candle, and below 37 is where the real bears will be unleashed. Let's wait for this. Moving averages, yes, are providing it a very good resistance here. The stochastic has dropped, it is looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. RSI has dropped as well. On the 4 hour charts, when you see, similar is the observation. Yes, drop, retracement, lower highs. once it breaks, because see, this is the first breakout candle. In all possibility, it may deliver a second follow-up candle here. And thus, I say, once you see silver trading below 37.50, take a sell and trail it. Trail it till 37, possibly. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is the one which is still in green since the crossover, which is a supportive sign for rise. RSI flat. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, what has happened? Notice drop, retracement, first bearish candle, a swing here. Lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. So it is staying in this channel. Now, again, as we have discussed here, only bullishness in silver. Once it trades beyond 38.20.30, we can say that this is a reversal. And see, this is silver. Yesterday also what it did, it has shown a good drop and then reverse. So today again it can reverse. These are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Though I am not in favor of such a rise here. So yes, only bullishness in silver is about 38.20.30. Keep a mark on that levels. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI has seen a drop. So now considering this, what I'll recommend, first where you should buy. Now ideally you have to wait for $38 to be taken in order to confirm a buying entry. Expect 38.20, 38.30 as the first target zone and 38.50, 38.60 as the next. If at all it trades beyond this, stay bullish for 39. And beyond 39 is where the sky is the limit. We can expect 39.40 and $40 zone. I'm not in favor of such a rise here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 37.50 itself. When you see the higher price below 37.50, you can take a sell. Expect 37.25, 37 as the first targets. Yes, this is going to be a very strong support. Below 37 is where the bears are waiting. You can expect 36.75, 36.50 and in fact lower towards 36. Let's wait for it to take a direction. It is right now showing bearishness, but let it break below the critical support here, and then more bearishness should follow. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. What that as well. Thank you.